Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot as your social media calendar, so let's get right into it. Now, while you do have social media management integrated into HubSpot through the marketing tab under the social tab, it is behind a paywall. You do need to have a paid subscription to access this option or this integration. Now, as you can see, currently I do not have a premium version, so I am blocked off from using it. However, I will be showing you how to manage your social media posts and use it as a schedule or a calendar within HubSpot for free, which you can do by playing around with the tasks system. Now, the way you do this is you go into the CRM tab and go down into tasks. Once you're here, then you can go ahead and create new tasks, and you're most likely going to be creating tasks for posting videos, for posting other posts, ads, etc., and you can use this to be able to manage it. Now, what you need to do is to create a new task, and for this you need to add a task title. I'll name it test 3, and from here you can add the task type. Most likely it's going to be to do, and you can set the priority from low to high depending on what you need. Now, I'll set it to high just for the sake of this tutorial, and you can also create a queue and add it into a queue if you so choose. Then you need to set a due date. This is when your post is going to be due. So let's set it for a custom date. And let's say, for example, the 12th of December, and set the time to whatever fits best. Usually I think it's between 11 and 1:30 p.m. So I'm just going to set 12:30 p.m. as the option, and you can set it to repeat if you have the paid version as well. Now you can set your reminder as well. So 30 to an hour before is what I recommend. Add any notes if you need to, and then that is pretty much it. Once you're done, click create, and you're going to have your new task, and that is pretty much how you do this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.